Welcome to Picky Quiz Ultimate Fun Games. Get ready to have some fun. Would you rather? Animal Edition. Let's see how well you know the animals.
First question. Would you rather be a dog who gets belly rubs all day or a wolf who howls at 3 a.m. just for the drama? Would you rather be a lion ruling the savannah or a tiger who's too cool to care? Would you rather have an elephant's memory or a rhino's horn to clear traffic? Would you rather run like a cheetah or chill like a leopard in a tree all day? Would you rather be a horse that wins races or a zebra with natural drip? Would you rather have gorilla strength or chimp energy after 5 bananas? Would you rather be a deer in the headlights or an antelope that just keeps running? Would you rather be a camel surviving the desert or a llama spitting at tourists for fun? Would you rather be a fox with all the tricks or a coyote that never gives up? Would you rather be a rabbit hopping around or a squirrel hoarding snacks for winter? Would you rather be an eagle soaring high or a falcon that always shows off its speed? Would you rather be an owl who never sleeps or a bat who throws nightly parties? Would you rather waddle like a penguin or fly like a puffin with style? Would you rather be a parrot that talks too much or a macaw that screams for attention? Would you rather strut like a flamingo or show off like a peacock at every chance? Would you rather be a crocodile chilling all day or an alligator with serious main character energy? Would you rather slither like a snake or scurry like a lizard trying not to get stepped on? Would you rather hop like a frog or croak like a toad with no regrets? Would you rather be a turtle taking it slow or a tortoise proving slow wins races? Would you rather swim with dolphins or scare people as a shark just for fun? Would you rather be an octopus with 8 arms or a squid who glows in the dark? Would you rather be a sea turtle living long and free or a seal doing beach poses all day? Would you rather sing like a whale or splash like an orca at every opportunity? Would you rather pinch like a crab or flex like a lobster at fancy dinners? Would you rather float like a jellyfish or just vibe like a starfish doing absolutely nothing?
Would you rather? Animal edition. Let's see how well you know the animals. Drop your answer in the comment section.